What's crackin'? My name is Hans, and for today's video guys, pag-uusapan natin yung maintenance and also kung ano yung mga bago dito guys sa Nightcrows. So ngayon guys, didiretso na agad tayo sa ating topic and let's go! So guys, pag pumunta kayo dito sa notice, dito muna tayo sa maintenance April 9 and completed na to guys. So greetings Blackwing of Freedom, greetings, this is Nightcrows. So update maintenance is over. So main updates and ito yung sa in-game updates guys. New events will begin where crew can obtain a variety of items. New season pass will be added. Maintenance schedule, ayan. So hindi na natin to babanggitin since tapos na rin naman. And targeted the region Asia 1, Asia 2, Asia 3, SA and NAEU. So official community nandyan din, and we will open servers in order. OT verification may be required for personal data security and game service. After the update maintenance, a web shop maintenance will commence. Purchase can be made as normal for other stores except the web shop. We will do our best to provide stable service. So ito lang guys, and check naman natin guys yung iba pang info dito. So meron sila dito guys na winners of the news from the Nightcrows Purge item. So isa pa lang nakaka-view, pero dito muna tayo guys. Economic system improvement, preventing fraudulent market trading. So market transactions pala. The purchase level limitation has been set to level 35, which is the same level requirement to be able to sell in the exchange. To confirm that activity in exchange is not a suspicious transaction, a random amount of wait time will be put upon receiving the settlement fee. We raised the required level to chat all to level 30 to prevent acts of illegal transaction. So kasi guys, mapapansin nyo sa all, ang dami nagsisend dyan guys ng mga website kung saan pwede daw kayo bumili ng diamond. So ginawa nila to prevent that is naglagay na sila ng requirement for level 30. The measures above, the most primary and the most recent ones we have taken to detect and prevent fraudulent transactions in Nightcrows. We will put in all efforts into creating a stabilized gameplay experience. So yun yung meron dun guys. So check muna natin guys dito sa pass kung ano yung mga nadagdag. So may nadagdag guys na weapon style summon pass and also mount summon pass. So dati meron na neto, binalik lang nila ulit guys. At etong artifact guys, ito yung natira. So yung iba guys wala na dito. So medyo marami to dati, pero ngayon binalik yung mount summon pass and also weapon style summon pass. And ngayon dito sa shop, check natin. So dito guys sa shop wala pa tayong nakikitang additional. Okay, so ito check natin. So level 40 achievement celebration, ayan, pwede nyo bilhin to. Okay, so ito yung sa may time limit. And also guys, check natin to. So ito meron tayong Luca Discipline. Ito guys, bago lang tong growth support. Ito yung mga pwede nyo makuha dito. So ito mahalaga to, and also itong gold. Refinement. Itong refinement guys, bago lang din to. Crafting support, tapos na yan. Or dati pa yan guys. So ito guys, Clement Gifts for 7 days, bago lang pala to. So nakakuha tayo dito ng Nightcrows na claw. And dito guys, may pwede tayong makuha pang weapon style, and also ito guild coins. And pwede nyo i-check guys yung mga components. Ito naman brooch. So yung sa mga nabasagan ng brooch, meron pa rin kayong chance magka-brooch ulit. And also ito, bago to guys, contribution coin bundle bound. Okay, so ito yung pwede nyo makuha sa contribution coin. So ngayon ko lang ito nakita, meron na rin sa contribution coin. And sa 7 days nyo is 300k. So balik tayo guys, yung pinakita natin kanina na isa pala nag-view. And check natin guys, ayan, may 28 na nag-view, so pang 29 tayo. So ito yung winner of the news from Nightcrows Purge. Okay, so through this post, we will announce the winners and the reward of the news from the Nightcrows Purge. So we congratulate through the tough competition. So check natin level rank by server, and also ayan, so challengers fame reward chest yung reward, and first to third, and dito naman guys is first to 100 distinction insignia ranking by server. So ayan, may makukuha rin kayo dyan guys. So ito naman guys sa reward chest composition, challengers fame reward chest bound. At composition yan guys is Henrich Steel. So ogre ata yan guys, so times 1. Ito guys yung mga mukha nila, so pwede nyo sila mag-mount. So Nightcrows Purge news chest 1 bound. So rare arcane scroll selection. So ito yung mga compositions guys. So ito yung mga possible na makuha nyo through this chest. And also distribution schedule method. So eto sila guys, ito yung mga names nila. So sa Asia 1 to, check natin yung Asia 2, which is ito yung server natin. Si Megaben, kilala natin to. Peekaboo, Chad Tom. So ito yung mga names nila guys. Sa Asia 202, check natin. Ito pala yung 202 guys. Sa Rook is si Barcode, Chad Tom at si eBay. So sa Bishop naman si Mega Ben. Ito guys, ito yung mga ka-server ko. So check na lang dito guys yung mga nanalo. Ito yung mga top 3 leveler ranks. Okay, so scroll down pa natin. Ito naman yung Distinction Insignia ranks. Okay, check natin yung Asia 2. Dito naman tayo guys sa Bishop, si Peekaboo, si Gom, si Fantasy, si Easy, si Chaddom, and si Sino. And check pa natin. So ayun lang guys, and check nyo lang dito yung mga servers guys kung sino yung mga nanalo. So napakaganda na itong makukuha nila. So check nyo na lang din guys, baka may kakilala kayo nakakuha or isa na rin kayo sa nakakuha. So yun lang yung meron tayong updates for this video, and sana guys nakatulong ito. So sana guys mag-follow kayo sa ating TikTok account, and also guys subscribe to my YouTube channel, Revenue Ride lang. Search nyo lang yan guys, lalabas na yan. So maraming salamat guys, and God bless.